Hello, Shawn Poe here, and welcome to the next part of our LifeVantage Compensation Plan series. As with the other parts of the series, we will be using the Compensation Plan highlights to discuss this portion of the pay plan. If you don't already have it, you can find it at LifeVantage.com, scroll down to the bottom, and click on the Compensation Plan highlights link as shown on the screen on the left. That will bring you to the one-page PDF summary you see on the right. This video will give you a look at the generational matching bonus, just one of several ways you get paid at LifeVantage. This particular bonus is open to all paid as Pro 3s and above who also have a minimum 200 personal volume, which is comprised of their personal orders and their directly enrolled customer orders. And they also need to have 100 new organizational volume that they directly enrolled that month. Okay, so this is a little different than the other areas of the compensation plan, so I want to make sure the qualifications for this portion are clear. You must be paid as a Pro 3 or higher, you must have 200 total personal volume, with at least 40 PV coming from your own personal order, and through the rank of Pro 6, you must enroll at least 100 in new commissionable volume through new preferred customers or distributors. All new volume you enroll is combined together to meet the 100-point threshold for this part of the compensation plan. At Pro 7 and above, you no longer need the new 100 in volume, but you still need the 200 total PV, with at least 40 PV coming from your own personal order. Alright, you're new to LifeVantage and starting to acquire preferred customers and distributors of your own. Everyone you directly enroll, whether a customer or a distributor, is considered your first level or your first generation. Once you meet the requirements of PV, new volume, and are paid as a Pro 3, you'll start to earn the generational matching bonus. You'll receive a 10% match on every distributor on your first level. This is your first generation 10% match. This business is all about duplication. We teach others how to do the same things we do. Soon, they start attracting their own PCs and distributors. This creates a second level for you or your second generation. Your check match on the second level of your business is 5%. Again, we're in the business of teaching others. Now your second level distributors have their own PCs and distributors, creating a third level for you. This third generation also provides you a check match of 5%. This may start to feel repetitive, but let's finish this out. We not only teach people to do what we do, we teach others to teach their own groups. This is what creates financial leverage. Our third level is creating their own depth, and a fourth level or generation to us. Again, you guessed it, you get a 5% match to all distributors on your fourth level. The fifth level is much of the same thing. You earn a 5% match to your entire fifth level of distributors. Are you starting to see how this can add up to be a significant amount of leveraged income? To reiterate, you earn a 10% match on all your first level distributors. These are your directly enrolled distributors. The next levels, 2 through 5, you earn a 5% match to their monthly checks. You are absolutely unlimited in the width of your organization. So the wider you go, the more opportunity you have to create with this portion of the compensation plan. Alright, that wraps up our training on the generational matching bonus. Be sure to watch the next video in our LifeVantage Compensation Plan series, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, Shawn and Michelle Poe, so you'll be updated when new trainings come out.